Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem Try Again from 8th standard English book. Before that, please subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. English workshop Try Again. Warming up. First question. What do you like, poems or stories? Answer. I love to hear and sing poems. Second question. What kind of poems do you enjoy the most? Answer. I enjoy motivational and inspirational poems most. Third question. Do you think poems can inspire us? Answer. Yes. Motivational poems inspire us because they convey important messages. Fourth, do you remember any such inspiring poem? Answer. Yes. The poem that inspired me most is Be the Best by Douglas Malloch. Fifth question. When did you learn or listen to it? Answer. We learned it at the beginning of this year, that is in June. Sixth question. What message do you get from it? Answer. The messages that we get from the poem are: be the best of whatever you are. Success doesn't depend upon size. All works have equal importance. Next question. Decide which experience shared in the group is the remarkable. Fill the flow chart with the steps taken for success. First, try. Failure. Hard work. Several attempts with patience. Success. Next question. Rearrange and write proper line numbers for each from those given below. Answers are given directly. First, a spider began to climb a wall. Second, it slipped and fell down. Third, the spider climbed up a little higher. Fourth, it did not give up and climbed the higher and higher. Fifth, it fell down again the second time. Sixth, finally it reached the top. Moral: try again and again till you succeed. Margin questions.